I'm Nananta. Hope you are doing safe. I want to talk to you about light, sound and force. Light, sound and force. We see with our eyes, but can we see anything in the darkness? You will notice this in complete darkness, you will not see an object visible to you. We can only see where there is light. Light is form of energy that helps us to see. Light travels in a straight line. The sun is main source of natural light. It provides light, heat and energy to the earth. Do you know what is a luminous object and non-luminous object are? Let's discuss about it. Luminous object, non-luminous object. Luminous object give out light. Some examples of luminous object are sun, bulb, street light, torch, etc. Non-luminous objects, they do not give out light. Some examples of non-luminous objects are book, paper, pencil, etc. Do you know what is a shadow? Let's discuss about it. Shadow. A shadow is a dark shape formed when you block the passage of light. It is always formed at the opposite to the source of the light. For example, I am blocking the passage of light and my shadow is here. It is always formed opposite to the source of the light. Do you know what is an opaque object? Let's discuss about it. Opaque objects. Opaque objects do not allow light through them. Now let's discuss about sound. There are different kinds of sound: birds chirping, honking of vehicles, soft music, etc. There are different types of sound: pleasant sound, unpleasant sound. Pleasant sound, unpleasant sound. Pleasant sounds are soft and pleasant for our ears, such as soft music. Unpleasant sounds are harsh, irritating for our ears, such as honking of vehicles. Unpleasant sounds are called noise. Noise is bad for our health. Noise. Let's discuss about force. A pull or push upon an object is called force. We cannot see force, but we can see what can force do. If force can move an object, force can stop a moving object, force can change shape of an object. Force can move an object, force can stop an object, force can change shape of an object. force can move an object. For example, when you kick a ball, it moves. That's because the force applied on the ball. Force can stop a moving object. For example, when you try to catch a ball, you're actually stop the force applied on the ball. Force can change shape of an object. For example, pick a soft ball, then squeeze it. Then you will see the shape will be changed. That's because the force applied on the ball. I hope you like my video. This is about light, sound and force. Hope it is informative. See you soon. This is your friend Ananta signing off. Bye.